Hi, I'm Brennan with IGS Home Warranty, and I'm here to show you how to clean and maintain your garbage disposal. Doing this helps remove odors and ensures that it continues to run smoothly. Step 1. Garbage disposals can be very dangerous, so it's extremely important to unplug it before you perform any maintenance. If your garbage disposal is jammed or clogged, it'll typically hum but not turn. There's a spot underneath the disposal where you can insert an Allen wrench. If you turn the wrench back and forth, it'll help release the clog. Step 3. If your garbage disposal simply won't turn on, push the red button on the bottom of the drum. This breaker will trip if the disposal is working too hard. You can also check the corresponding breaker in your breaker box. Step 4. If there are large objects clogging your disposal, use tongs or large pliers to pull them out. Avoid reaching your bare hand into the disposal, even if the unit is unplugged. Step 5. To clean your disposal, fill it with crushed ice and fine rock salt. You can also include small pieces of citrus peel to add a pleasant scent. Be sure not to use large pieces of ice, salt, or citrus peel so as not to clog the drain. Step 6. Run cold water into the drain for 30 seconds, then turn on the disposal. The ice and salt will grind away built-up food waste. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm Brennan, and I'll see you next time.